Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create a quiz on Canva. Open Google Chrome and go to canva.com. Make sure you are logged in. In the Canva search bar, type YouTube video and press enter. Then, you will see many templates designed for YouTube videos. Browse through the options and select the one that you like by clicking. Now click Customize this template to open the template in the Canva editor. Remove any existing text by clicking on it and pressing the delete key. Now replace it with your text. For example, you can write travel quiz as your title. If the template contains multiple clips or elements you don't need, select and delete them. After that, add blank slides by clicking on Add Page at the bottom of the canvas. Make these slides black or any other color you prefer for a blank background. Click on Elements in the sidebar and then select Graphics. Browse through the available graphics and add any that fit your quiz theme. For example, you might add travel-related icons or images. Then go back to Elements and search for Background. Next, choose a background you like and drag it into the blank canvas you added earlier. Then click on Animate at the top of the screen. Select animation styles from the options under Photo Movement and apply them by sliding and dragging. Now click on Text in the sidebar and add a new text box. Then type in your quiz question. Add another text box for the quiz options, then list out possible answers. Go to Elements and select Shapes. Now choose a shape you like and place it over the correct answer to highlight it. Once you have finished creating your quiz, click on Share in the top right. After that, select Download and choose your preferred file format. Click Download to save your quiz to your computer. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.